Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure the basics are safe. Update Watch OS and confirm the watch is paired to your iPhone. Once done, force restart the watch by holding the side button and digital crown until the Apple logo appears. This clears transient processes that drain battery. Make sure the watch has at least 50% charge before running further tests so background services behave normally. You do this to separate temporary software glitches from persistent battery issues that need deeper fixes. You now optimize daily settings. Disable always on display and background app refresh for apps you don't use because they continuously wake the watch. Next, lower screen brightness and consider turning off wake on wrist raise for long idle stretches. These save significant screen and sensor power. Also prune notifications to only essentials and switch to Bluetooth-only connections when not using Wi-Fi features. These changes reduce sensor polling and radio use, which are the most common causes of steady battery drain. You finish by diagnosing and, if needed, repairing. Check battery health and usage graphs to identify apps or services using the most power and force quit or remove offending apps. If the drain persists, unpair and repair the watch, restoring from a backup to clear corrupt settings. If software solutions fail, check maximum battery capacity. If it's under about 80% or behaves erratically, contact Apple support for battery replacement. If things still go wrong, run one more full charge cycle before reaching out.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.